Three interesting films. Good evening, Miss Lee. You came in? He come into the cinema. Miss Lee, it's a children's film festival. Kim's ill. Here he is. Hi, Kim. Hi, Gina. Hi, Pew. Kim, we've got three free tickets to see three prize-winning films for children. Listen, Kim, is it interesting? We think it's a first dress, a short film about gorillas and chimpanzees in Africa, and then the next film is about the six best Olympic gymnastics competitions, and then it's a big film, the history of English cricket. Cricket is a terrific film. If you ill came, it would be a pity to miss it. Now listen, you kids, and it begins in the 15 minutes. Kim, quick, or we will miss the beginning of the gorilla film.